Edition of Johnny Investing. Other people trying to sell you something? I'm just here to find those A winners, go getters, trend setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. So today we're looking at PureTech Health. It's on the NASDAQ. Stock symbol is PRTC. They are a clinical stage biotherapeutics company, and they're really looking to kind of discover and develop and commercialize, really differential medications for really devastating disease. So let's start looking at this leadership team. Okay, so the CEO here is Daphne Zohar. And, if you're a bunch of investors, they really have some incredible leaders on their team. I mean, Daphne Zohar, I've heard her in a bunch of interviews and really fantastic. I mean, I think she's an incredible leader, has done a lot of impressive things. And this guy, Joseph Bolin, the chief scientific officer, has a fantastic track record. If you don't know, he was part of the Moderna Therapeutics. I mean, this guy is a superstar. And what excites me about these, when you find these companies with great leaders, I mean, they usually have great teams, and that's what I look for. I mean, when you have these great teams, in biotech, great leaders get great teams, and they know how to move resources around. They look at what's working and they're adaptable. I mean, that's a big deal when it comes to these biotech companies. I mean, you're talking about an industry that you have to adapt. A lot of these biotech companies, they're afraid to. If they find something that's not working, they're not going to get rid of it. They're going to move that resource around. They're going to look around and try to do a lot of different, data dredging and do one more study to see if it works out. But these guys, I mean, Daphne Zohar and Joseph Bolin, they're going to adapt. They're really quite different from a lot of these biotech companies. Case in point, they got a lot of different, therapeutics in the pipeline. And when you have great teams, that's what you really got to get excited about these types of companies. So let's take a look at the pipeline. I mean, this is really good. I mean, I'm really interested in the results of LYT 510. LYT 510 is an oral immunosuppressant for, potentially irritable bowel disease, and that could be a really impressive. It's in the discovery phase. I know it's still in, preclinical trials, but the other potential medication that looks really impressive is LYT 300. Now, this one's already, basically in the phase process of phase 1. They've completed discovery and preclinical trials. This allopregnanolone is a neurological potential for neurological psychological conditions. I mean, this is potentially a promising medication that, actually is okay to use IV, but if they can get this thing working orally, I mean, this could be a potential breakthrough, really big potential upside. I mean, a lot of patients would benefit also. As an investor, this could be really big. So the stock symbol, like I said, is PRTC. You look at the 6 months chart, it's down 44%. Okay, right now, July 11th, at the time of this video, it's $22.20. Gotta add this to your watch list. I think this company could be worth 5x from here. We're talking $100, depending on how these pipeline of medications progress. Keep an eye on this company. We are out of time today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button. If you want more videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks again. Have a great day.